Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, this is the Aina and Too Faced foundation collaboration. I hopped on this bandwagon a little late and I really don't know. I really wanted to try the foundation out and I just wanted to make sure I could save my coin up just so I can get the other products by Too Faced that I wanted. So I picked up the Too Faced foundation, the sculpting concealer, and I picked up a setting spray and the setting powder. So you guys will be seeing me collaborate all of these products together in this video. It'll kind of be like a one brand makeup tutorial, but I did use some other brands in this tutorial. But the main thing I wanted to get across in this video was using these shades from the new collaboration with Aina. That's auntie of YouTube. So I had to support Aina and I just really wanted to use these new products and get some new products. Everybody loves to get new makeup. So that's what I did, and I hope you guys really enjoy this kind of talk through tutorial. It's something new for me. I normally never do things like this with my makeup tutorials, but I wanted to give you guys in depth of what I was doing while I was using these products. So I'm not going to continue to ramble. Thank you guys so much. Make sure before you even continue watching this video, you subscribe to my channel and you hit that bell for notification updates so you never miss an upload. But I just want you guys to get right into this video, so let's just get right into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start off, and as you can see, my brows are already done. I had to do a lot of finessing to get them to look this way. And you already know, if you have not got your brows groomed in a long time, then you know the struggle was real with concealing and fixing them up to make them look like something. But anyways, I do want to get into the products that I'll be using, and pretty much for the most part I will be using a lot of the Too Faced products just because I picked up a lot of things while I was at Sephora and I had a few things already in my stash. So I was like, why not just use as many Too Faced products as I can? So that's what I will be doing in this tutorial, and I will have all of the products that I use listed down in the description box below. So I tested out the shades Chai Spice Rum and Tiramisu while I was in Sephora, and the one that best suited me was Spice Rum. So this is the one that I'll be using today, and I also have the setting powder that I'll be using and the mattifying setting spray, and also I picked up the Super Coverage Sculpting Concealer. So what I want to do is I'm going to start out by priming my face, and I'm going to be using the Hangover Replenishing Face Mask Face Primer from Too Faced. And this is like a little trial size that I got from my Ipsy subscription. So I'm just going to put that all over my face, and I've actually never used this before. Ooh, and it is hydrating. I wonder if it says it on here. It says it's coconut water and probiotic base, and this is really, honestly, this feels really refreshing on my face. This feels really refreshing. And guys, please excuse the noise if you hear it in the background. It's the computer, and I know it's probably super loud. So what I want to do is I want that base to get a little sticky just so my foundation can stick to it, so it can adhere to it a little more. So I'm just going to apply this with my damp beauty blender, and I just like to use my beauty blender. Some people say that you get more coverage when you use a brush, but I don't like that process, so I use my beauty blender. And I don't know if I should do 2 pumps, 3 pumps, I don't know, and I just usually put it on my face. So let's just see. Let's do 3 small pumps. So there's 1, 2, 3. So let's just see. And as you can see, it's literally like, this was literally made for me. Not for me, but like my skin shade. This was literally made for my skin shade, because this matches me honestly perfectly. Like, they got the undertones right. Jackie knew what she was doing when she made this. I'm gonna give her props on that, because usually when I get a foundation, the undertone is probably wrong, or it's a little too dark for me, what have you. But this is literally, and I don't want it to be like super full coverage. I'm starting to like my makeup to look a lot more natural some days. So I think that even if my imperfections do peek through this foundation, it's completely fine with me, because I do want my skin to look like skin. And my little brother is playing Fortnite downstairs. Boys. Okay, I think I blended enough. So next I'm going to take my Sculpting. Want to use Sculpting concealer, and this says that it is super coverage. Now, I like a good coverage on my concealer. So let's just see how this works out. So once you've blended your whole life away, what I usually do is I set under my eyes just so they won't start creasing. And like I said, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder, and I got the color Translucent. This is super cute packaging, I might add. But what the heck? Like, what the world? Why is this not coming out? What the world? I guess I gotta tap it into the top. I don't know. Okay. What the jazz is going on here? What in the baking powder is going on? I'm gonna buff any creases out under my eyes before I set under my eye. And then I'm just gonna put that powder right under. And lately I've been buffing the setting powder right into my foundation, just because I feel like it gives it a more flawless finish. And then I will bake just a little bit under my eyes, maybe. I don't know, it depends on really honestly how I'm feeling, because some days I will bake and then other days I won't. So I'm gonna put this in my T-zone, where I usually get the oiliest on my smile lines. On my nose. And I've been setting brows since setting brows was a thing, honestly. You look at my older videos, I've been setting brows sis. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color, not that one. I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany just to sculpt out my face. I'm just going to set my face with the Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is in a color Rich Mahogany. So I'm going to apply my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back.
On the beat.
But I think I'm finished. And if I am, I'm going to be spraying my Peach Mist by Too Faced, and this is a mattifying setting spray because my face is really oily. This was the perfect one for me. So guys, this does conclude my video on the Too Faced products that I picked up at Sephora, the Jackie Aina and Too Faced collaboration. I will say that I really do like this look. It's very subtle, it was easy to create, and it's something that I normally just do on the weekends. And the concealer and the foundation definitely pairs completely well with each other, so I might add that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure if you did like this video, you give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for all of your support. I know I go on a MIA spree just randomly throughout my YouTube, and that's something that I do need to work on. I always say that I'm gonna work on that, but in due time I will get better. I think that I want to start vlogging, picking up the Canon G7X Mark II. So if you guys would like to see vlogs from me, my life isn't that interesting, but my sister thinks that you guys hate my makeup tutorials because they get the least amount of views on my channel. So she's like, you might as well start doing different stuff on your channel. So like this video if you think I should start vlogging, and if you guys want to see any other content from me, pranks or challenges, any other things with my family or just by myself, make sure you leave all of your suggestions in the comment section below, and I will be chatting with you guys. But I just want to take this time out to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos and being a part of my family here on YouTube. So without further ado, I'll stop rambling and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.